From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
We have some clouds in our area going throughout our day today. We currently have that temperature coming in here in Happy Valley at 68 degrees. However, it is a little bit windy out there. We do currently have the winds coming from the southeast at 11 miles per hour, so make sure you are aware of that as you're stepping outside for your afternoon today. Looking at our radar and satellite across the area, there's not much to speak of in the way of rain, just a couple showers up by Erie. But other than that, just a big blanket of clouds hanging out over the central portion of the state, and then a little bit clearer as we go a little bit further south and east down near Harrisburg and Philadelphia. Zooming out, though, we do see there are some showers off to our west that could be making their way to us pretty soon. And then, of course, we do see the big weather story of the day. We do have Tropical Storm Harvey still impacting the Texas region as of right now. And once we take a look at the projected path of Harvey, we do see that it has now reemerged over the Gulf of Mexico and has come off of Texas and will continue to meander around the area before making another landfall sometime tomorrow morning, again, right near the Houston area. So they still have a lot of rain and a long way to go before Tropical Storm Harvey is done with the Texas coast. And then looking at this computer model for how much more rain they have to deal with, Houston in particular has already received nearly 30 inches of rain in some spots. This model only goes through tomorrow at noon, and they're still looking at an additional 6.5 inches of rain between now and then even more before Harvey finally does make its way away from the Houston area. But bringing it back locally here to central Pennsylvania, we do see we have temperatures mostly in the 60s across the western portion of Pennsylvania, with State College and Clearfield coming in at 68. A little bit warmer off to our east with Williamsport and Selinsgrove each coming in at 72. And then also further south and east, we do have Philadelphia coming in at 73. A little bit warmer off to our far west as well, with Pittsburgh coming in at 70. And then looking at our eye on the future here, we do see those clouds continue to hang around for a bit before they do break apart a little bit going into tonight before rebuilding during the day tomorrow. And then zooming out, we do see the potential of potential tropical storm Irma, which is likely to develop sometime in the next 24 hours or so. It's no threat to the northeast, could make a landfall somewhere in the North Carolina region, but then once it does reemerge over the ocean, it will move away from the northeast. And then looking at your temperatures over the next couple of days, we do see some more warmth building in going into this afternoon with high temperatures mostly in the 70s across the Commonwealth. Before it cools down quite a bit overnight, we could drop down into the 40s here in State College. And then continuing to go into our day tomorrow, it'll be a little bit chilly tomorrow morning, so make sure you do grab that sweatshirt on your way out the door for warming up a little bit as we go towards the noon hours tomorrow. And then going into tomorrow night, we'll drop down once again into the lower 60s tomorrow evening. So here's your forecast for tomorrow. We're looking at around a high temperature of around 72 degrees with sun and clouds early in the day with a PM shower or even thunderstorm possible tomorrow evening. And then, of course, we do have our first football game this weekend, which means the Nittanyville campers will be out there in force at Gate A. Looking ahead for them, Thursday there will be a high around 77 degrees with mostly sunny skies during the day. However, there is the chance for a PM shower or thunderstorm to move through, so make sure they do keep an eye on that before a very nice day for Friday leading up to the game on Saturday. And then looking ahead for your 7-day forecast, we do see pretty nice conditions for the most part, just a couple chances of some stray showers on Tuesday and Thursday. And other than that, looking ahead for that game on Saturday, it looks like we'll have a high temperature of around 75 degrees under partly cloudy skies. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Brian Mastro. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.